Yes people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for clicking. This is going to be my reaction to a teaser that's recently dropped. It's a Netflix show, South Korean, called The Silent Sea. So without further ado, check it out. Let's do it.
다른 기술이 이동한다. 다른 임무랑 다를 바 없어. 우린 임무에 충실하면 된다.
대원 전체가 생존할 확률이 10%도 안 돼요.
이 안에 뭔가 있을 거라고 생각하는 거예요.
답이요. 도대체 이게 뭐가 어떻게 된지 모르겠네.
Very mysterious. Yeah, so there it is, just a little teaser, not much to show obviously. From what I've read online, this is going to be adapted from a short film that came out in 2014 called The Sea of Tranquility. So I guess if you've seen that, maybe there's some clues about what this is going to be about. Apparently the director and the writer of that is going to be doing this series as well, so at least the vision is carried over, which is always good. It's got a pretty minimal cast obviously, because it's about a team that go up to the moon. I know there's like 2 guys that have come from the Squid Game cast, and a few others that I would need to check out. So yeah, there it is, a little teaser, pretty interesting from what I've heard so far. Definitely be checking it out. December 24th it comes out, Christmas Eve, bargain. So yeah, there it is, that's my reaction. The Silent Sea, Christmas Eve, Netflix. Thanks for watching, and if you did like it, like, subscribe, bell, yeah, peace.